What if you could revolutionize the way you print, eliminating the hassle of constantly replacing cartridges and the financial burden that comes with it? You won't believe the game-changing technology that Epson has brought to the table with the SureColor T3170x 24-inch desktop printer. This extraordinary device is not just a printer, but a solution to the long-standing problems that have plagued the printing industry for years. The frustration of running out of ink at the most inopportune moment, the exorbitant costs associated with cartridge replacement, and the tedious process of navigating complex printer interfaces are all issues that the Epson SureColor T3170x addresses with unparalleled finesse. For far too long, professionals and individuals alike have been forced to contend with the limitations of traditional printing technology. The constant need to replace cartridges, the mess and waste associated with this process, and a lack of control over print quality have all taken a toll on productivity and creativity. However, with the Epson SureColor T3170x, those days are behind us. This innovative printer boasts cartridge-free printing, utilizing high-capacity ink bottles with an auto-stop feature that makes filling a breeze. The days of messy, time-consuming cartridge replacements are over, and a new era of efficient, cost-effective printing has begun. Upon unboxing the Epson SureColor T3170x, it becomes immediately apparent that this is a premium product. The sleek, compact design is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also speaks to the meticulous attention to detail that Epson has brought to the table. The large, intuitive 4.3-inch color LCD screen is a marvel, simplifying even the most complex print tasks with ease. The ultra-small footprint of the printer is a testament to Epson's commitment to creating a device that seamlessly integrates into any workspace, enhancing productivity without sacrificing valuable desk space. As you power on the printer for the first time, the sense of excitement and anticipation is palpable. The user interface is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy to navigate even for those who are not tech-savvy. Delving deeper into the features of the Epson SureColor T3170x, it becomes clear that this printer is a powerhouse of innovation. One of the most significant benefits is the ultra-fast print speeds, capable of producing a 1/D size prints in as fast as 34 seconds. This level of speed is a game changer for professionals who require rapid turnaround times without compromising on quality. The low running costs are another major advantage, with 1,120 milliliters of ink included in the box, capable of printing a substantial number of posters or technical drawings. This not only saves money, but also reduces waste, making it an environmentally friendly option. The compact, clean design of the printer is not just visually appealing, but also enhances workspaces, promoting a sense of organization and productivity. Furthermore, the printer's ability to produce high-quality prints with precise color accuracy and vivid detail is unparalleled, making it an indispensable tool for graphic designers, architects, and engineers. In real-world testing, the Epson SureColor T3170x proved to be a rock star, handling even the most demanding print jobs with ease. In a challenging scenario where multiple large-format prints were required in a short time frame, the printer performed flawlessly, producing print after print of exceptional quality without any signs of slowing down. The print speed was consistently fast, and the ink levels were more than sufficient to handle the task at hand. The durability of the printer was also put to the test, withstanding the rigors of heavy use without any issues. The battery life, or rather the lack of need for one, was a welcome surprise, as the printer can be powered directly from a wall outlet, eliminating the need for batteries altogether. In evaluating the pros and cons of the Epson SureColor T3170x, it becomes clear that the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages. Three massive pros that stand out are the cartridge-free printing, which eliminates the hassle and expense of cartridge replacement, the ultra-fast print speeds, which enable rapid turnaround times without compromising on quality, and the low running costs, which make it an affordable option for professionals and individuals alike. One minor con that is worth mentioning is the initial cost of the printer, which may be prohibitively expensive for some. However, when considering the long-term savings and benefits that the Epson SureColor T3170x offers, this minor drawback is far outweighed by the numerous advantages. In comparison to other printers on the market, the Epson SureColor T3170x stands head and shoulders above the competition. Its unique combination of cartridge-free printing, ultra-fast print speeds, and low running costs make it an unbeatable option for those seeking a reliable, high-quality printing solution. While other printers may offer some of these features, none can match the Epson SureColor T3170x in terms of overall performance, value, and innovation. In conclusion, the Epson SureColor T3170x 24-inch desktop printer is a revolutionary device that is poised to change the face of printing forever. With its cartridge-free printing,